Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I will to show you the way how to use the CapCut Cloud to sync all of project into all the devices that you have. So basically this CapCut Cloud will help you to save some project into your account, so that whenever you are far away from your devices that usually you use, you can just use another device and log in with your account, so that you can reach out those projects to continue to work. So first thing you have to do is just go open the CapCut application, and after that you just need to go into the Me sections and make sure that you are signed in into the account that you are usually used, and make sure that you remember about the ID, username, as well as the passcode that you use for this account. And whenever you already signed in with your account, go back into the edit part, and the next thing you need to do is just find which project that you want to upload into the CapCut Cloud. So let's say I would like to find the shortest project here, so that we can work easily and fast. Okay, I've got one. So let's say I would like to use this project. So the next thing we need to do is go click this three small dot on the project that we choose, and go click this upload to paste, and you just need to choose the folder and go click upload, and you just need to wait until a cloud symbols is appear on this project and your project's already finished to be uploaded. So that is the way how to use the CapCut Cloud. So hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, guys, and I will see you for the next tutorial.